John 17 verse 18. I have sent them into the world the same way you sent me into the world. The reason Jesus sent us into the world is not to overcome it, but to be more than conquerors in it because of Him conquering it already. We are doing the being more than conquerors by being clothed like Him with a Christ-mindedness rather than to be clothed with an Adamic mindedness. The conquering of the worldly systems played out for Jesus this way. He first had to believe that He is the Son of God. Next to that, He had to pursue and obediently live, even to death of the cross, faithfully the will of His Father. Lastly, He had to accept, in the resurrection of His life, the love of the Father towards all of mankind in Jesus Christ as the name above all names, both in the heavens and on earth. Our true identity is us in the image of Christ to the inner man, living Him out into a dying world as the only true life.